We guide you through how to fix Apple Pay not working after new iPhone. First thing you need to do is make sure you are signed in with the same Apple ID on your new iPhone that you used in your previous device. Next, open the wallet app and check that all your cards are added and verified correctly. Then confirm that your device is updated to the latest iOS version and has stable internet connection. After that, restart your iPhone and try re-adding any cards that are missing or not working properly. Also ensure that Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode settings are enabled for Apple Pay authentication. And if Apple Pay still isn't working, contact your bank to confirm there are no holds or restrictions on your cards. Then reach out to Apple support for guidance on restoring Apple Pay fully on your new device. So that's it.